Why do HTML forms use hidden fields? Have you ever wondered how websites keep track of information without cluttering the screen? One of the clever tools they use is hidden fields in HTML forms. Let's break down why these hidden fields are so useful. Hidden fields are input elements that are not visible to users but still play a key role when a form is submitted. They are created by setting the type attribute to hidden. This allows web developers to store important data without displaying it on the web page. One major reason for using hidden fields is to store data that identifies a user or session. For instance, a hidden field can carry a user identification number or a session token. This information helps the server recognize who is submitting the form without showing it to the user. Another important use of hidden fields is tracking the state of a form or page. They can hold values that indicate which step of a multi-step from the user is currently on. This is especially helpful for forms that requiring several pieces of information to be filled out in stages. Hidden fields also allow developers to pass data that should not be changed by the user. Since these fields are not displayed, users cannot modify their values through the standard from interface. However, it is essential to remember that users can still access these values using browser developer tools. Therefore, hidden fields should not be used for sensitive information that requires security. Additionally, hidden fields help maintain data between page loads. When a form is reloaded or submitted, hidden fields can carry forward information that needs to persist without needing the user to input it again. This can make the user experience smoother and more efficient. Now let's look at how to create a hidden field in HTML. The syntax is quite simple. You would write something like this: input type is equal to hidden, name is equal to some name, value is equal to some value. This line of code is placed inside the from tag along with other input elements. In summary, hidden fields are a practical solution for managing and transmitting data that supports the form's functionality without cluttering the user interface. They help keep forms clean and straightforward while ensuring that necessary information is still sent to the server. So next time you fill out a form online, remember that there might be hidden fields working behind the scenes to make your experience better.